Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wrist straps for GoPro, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GoPro HERO3 wrist housing. It is easy to wear your GoPro camera like a watch to experience easy access while capturing photos. This is possible with the HERO3 wrist housing. Essentially, this wrist housing secures the camera flat surrounding your wrist. Moreover, it allows the user to instantly pivot it erect for photos or videos. When you are not recording, you can use both hands. This makes it perfect for climbing, skiing, surfing, or snorkeling, etc. Moving on at number 4, we have the 360-degree rotation glove-style band wrist strap mount strip belt. Generally, camera enthusiasts prefer to capture photos and videos in different applications. These include bike riding, scuba diving, surfing, or skydiving, etc. Now, it is simple to experience the hands-free capturing or recording the footage with the use of this action camera. To use this wrist strap, just slide the camera waterproof housing over our glove. Moreover, the strap comes with the normal size slide replace. At number 3, we have the SUREWO wrist strap mount compatible with GoPro Hero the 9th or the 8th of July 2018, 6/5 black. The SUREWO GoPro wrist strap is suitable for different activities like surfing, parachuting, cycling, hiking, skateboarding, and climbing. It is easy to rotate since the design has an auto rotation lock. It is extremely easy to use, you just simply wear one like a watch. Moreover, the strap is really comfortable to wear in long hours. However, it does not leave any weird fuzz on your skin. At the offered price, there are lots of functionalities in this wrist strap. At number 2, we have the CamKicks 2" 1 floating wrist strap and head strap floater. Occasionally it happens that you may drop your GoPro camera into the water while shooting. The use of this 2-in-1 wrist strap floater prevents it from sinking. There are no problems to wrap the strap around your wrist. Besides, it can be easily attached to a head strap. Taking a look at its structure, the floater uses neoprene material. This material allows the wrist strap to work in fresh and saltwater. Issues of slipping off your wrist would not be created. Within a few minutes, it can be dried quickly. And finally at number 1, we have the ParaPace wrist strap mount for GoPro Hero 8/7, 6/5 S, 5/4 S, 4/3 Plus. Comfortable use and well-built structure are the unique traits of this wristband holder. This strap from ParaPace is easy to install, and lightweight so you can easily use it in almost all outdoor activities. In addition, the strap is also adjustable so it fits all sizes of wrists and ensures full comfort. For different applications like scuba diving, hiking, skydiving, and snorkeling, this hand mount strap is just perfect. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.